Following the oil spill in Bataan, the Department of Health has warned the residents living in the area of the health effects caused by inhalation, physical contact, and ingestion of the chemicals. Through inhalation may result to vomiting, eye irritation, high blood pressure and changes in heartbeat, headache, and problem in concentration. Through skin contact, skin irritation follows, and burns depending how strong the oil is, and even dermatitis. The last thing that might cause health risk to individual when exposed to oil spill is ingestion.
Pag nakakain tayo or nakasubo ng langis or ng chemical mula sa oil spill, pwede tayo magkaroon ng pagsusuka, pagkaduwal, yung ating pagtatae, sakit sa tiyan, pag-ubo, pagka-irritable, at yung iba nawawalan ng malay. Kapag malaki yung bilang or yung dami ng langis na makakain natin, pwedeng magkaroon ng kumbulsyon, koma o kaya kamatayan.
DOH added to decontaminate once exposed to oil spill or any other chemical related to such.
Sa pamamagitan ng pag-alis ng lahat ng ating damit na nalagyan ng langis o kemikal. Hugasan kaagad ang bahagi ng katawan na nalagyan ng langis gamit ang sabong pangligo, mild soap at tubig na malinis. Kung nakararanas ng mga ibang sintomas mula sa langis ay humingi na agarang tulong medikal mula sa pinakamalapit na pasilidad at sa ating mga doktor or mga health professional.
DOH has emphasized the importance of following the command of local government units to avoid the said health risks.
Kaya mahalaga talaga na pag tayo ay nasa lugar na apektado ng oil spill, makinig tayo sa mga anunsyo ng ating lokal na pamahalaan, kung kailangan lumikas, kung kailangan pampaliban muna ang ating aktibidades para lilipat tayo temporarily habang linilinis yung paligid.
To date, the DOH has not yet recorded any medical problem related to the ongoing oil spill in Bataan. Gladys Tuabi, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.